I don't like this at all. But we shall see. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a light natural makeup look using all black owned products. So I'm not going to drag the intro out, so we are going to go ahead and get started. So for the majority of the products that I'm going to use today is Fenty Beauty and Juvia's Place. And again, like I said, this is a black owned makeup look, slight beat, and that's it. All right, so I'm gonna get started with this Fenty Beauty brow pencil, and this is in the color medium brown. It has a cute little brush right here on the end for you to brush your brows. So I'm going to go ahead and brush those up. Let me get my mirror. And then I'm going to get started. All right. I've already moisturized my face and stuff like that. You know what? Before I do my brows, let me go ahead and prime. So for primer, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Mattifying Primer. Go ahead and put that on so it can be soaking into my skin while I do my brows. I'm gonna do one brow on camera and then I'll do the other brow off camera to save on time, because like I said, this is a quick little makeup look. And this is my first time using this brow pencil. I don't know how I feel yet. I don't know. It's kind of, you know, some brow pencils are, you know, a little looser in consistency. This one is a little tough. All right, so I'm gonna do the other brow off camera. I will be right back. Okay, with the brows done, I am going to go ahead and put a little bit more primer, or not primer, concealer on my eyelid. Again, this is nothing difficult. I am basically just going to throw some color on my lid. Okay, I moved in a little bit closer so that you could see what I'm doing. I hope it's not too dark, but I think I'm going to use Morocco and the Nubian 2 Juvia's Place palette. So I'm going to use this color right here, Morocco. Let me put it on. This looks a little orange. I don't want an orange eye. Hold on. Let me go into Madagascar, and I'm just gonna take a blending brush for this color. All right. So since I did put a little bit of that Morocco color on this eye, I'm gonna have to do it to the other eye. But for now, we're gonna use Madagascar and just pack that on with this blending brush, and that's the only color that we're gonna use. When I said simple, I meant simple. This is simple and fast. Just make sure you blend the color out. I think that'll work. Jeez. All right, so we got that color on. So now let's move on to some mascara. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara. Okay, got the mascara on. Okay, so for liner, I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty Fly liner, and this is Cause I'm Black. And I'm just going to do a quick wing. Nothing extravagant. So let me do the other one off camera. I will be right back. Okay, so my liner has dried. I was searching for my other lashes by Goddess Beauty and I cannot find them. So I'm going to have to rock my April lashes. Okay, I have the lashes on, and again, they are by Goddess Beauty and they are in the style April. Okay, so now I am going to move on to foundation. I have these two Juvia's Place foundations, one in Ibiza and one in Giza. I don't know which one is my shade, so I got both of them. We may end up having to mix, I don't know. But let's see. Honestly, they look the same. So let me just, ew, that's very yellow. But, oh my God. Oh my God. I don't like this at all. But we shall see. Let me take these earrings off because they're getting in my way. Okay, so we got the color on there. It may be all right once we get the concealer and bronzer on. So let's do that. All right, so for concealer, again, I'm gonna go back in with Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 18. I cannot wait to bronze. All right, we got the concealer on. Now, let's bronze. For bronzer, I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty Caramel Cutie Bronzer. And I'm about to light it up. Cause this, I need some color. Let me do something with his nose. Go back in with that brush. Okay. Ooh, yes. Okay, and then I'm going to move on to blush, which I do not have a Fenty blush or a Juvia's Place blush. So I'm gonna go into the Zulu palette, and I'm going to take a little bit of the pink shade and the brown shade, and I'm just gonna mix it to see what I can come up with. I hope it's not ugly. Let's see. Okay. All right. So again, the pink and the brown to come up with a blush color. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face, and I'm gonna use this Fenty Beauty What It Do Makeup Refreshing Spray. I'm gonna do that, and then I'm going to take a little bit of setting powder. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Banana Powder. I didn't set after I put the concealer and the foundation on because I just wanted to do a light set and keep a little bit of dewiness today. So let me take a fluffy brush. I'll take this brush. A little bit of powder, and then after I powder, I'm going to go back in and set it again. That part is still a little wet. And I'm just setting under my eyes and around my nose just a little bit. Okay, just like that. And then again, like I said, I'm gonna do another quick mist right there on the eyes. Going back in with that Fenty mascara and put it on my bottom lashes. Okay, so now I'm going to finish up my brows. Normally I would take the Stila Cosmetics brow color to do the front portions of my brows, but I'm gonna go back in with the Fenty Beauty brow pencil, and I'm going to try to do it with this pencil. And as far as lip color, I am strictly going in with my Fenty Gloss Bomb. And this is in the color Sweet Mouth. As you can see, I didn't wipe the concealer off my mouth. I think it was concealer or foundation or something like that, but I didn't wipe it off my mouth because I actually wanted the color to mix in with the gloss to give it more like a pale pink type look. So let me get the rest of myself together and I will be right back. Okay guys, I am back. This is the completed look. I went ahead and took my scarf off, and I put some bronzer where the scarf was on my edges, and I actually forgot to apply the highlighter. I used Juvia's Place highlighter in the color Nefertiti. So I applied that and I did one quick spritz again, and this is the final look. So I hope you guys like it. Again, this is all black owned, quick makeup look with just a couple of colors. It will probably help if you know your foundation shade in the Juvia's Place line. Again, this was my first time using it. The concealer was perfect, but the foundation color was kind of iffy. But again, you can see that I made it work. I need to go and see which one just really works for my skin tone, because I did have to mix it with the Fenty Beauty foundation just to lighten it up a bit, because it was so yellow. But again, this is the final look. I hope you like it, and if you do, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video. Bye. AbbyRed, 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 AbbyRed.